Let's go here sa spa and gym. I had plans of using their gym, kaya lang naubusan na kami ng oras. Plus itas, gusto lang waterproof palagi.
Our gym. I'm gonna try it.
Ang dilim naman niya. Male entrance, female entrance. Tingnan natin yung female entrance. A big gym. I really want to get addicted to going to the gym. Kaya I'm so tamad. Tapos na. It's just one in the same gym, different entrances.
Pwede na isa same exit.
Exit, okay. And that was the gym.
Hi!
Alga na. Nice. Yung ganitong smell na parang pepperminty is very familiar sa isang spa. Kasi I started using spa 24 years old ako sa Westin. Westin pa nun, hindi pa Sofitel. Tapos nawala na bang Sofitel? O yung Spiral restaurant lang nila. Anyway, off ko na. We are still here at J Park trying to enjoy the rest of the amenities. Let's go.